Welcome back to my channel. Today I figured I would do a cooking video. It's a little different from what I usually do. I wanted to make a healthy lunch, and this is what I found on Google. So I have the picture referencing what I'm trying to accomplish. Theirs is a tad bit smaller than how mine turned out, and I didn't follow the recipe directly to a T. I just pretty much got the concept of it and made it. But that's pretty much how I do everything. I never really follow anything step by step. I have issues with that for some reason. So anyway, to start out, I just had my tortilla shell, and I just took a cup and cut circles out using the cup and put those inside of a muffin pan to try to make like a little tortilla bow, I guess, and you have to bake those. And this probably didn't take no more than 15 minutes to prepare. It was really easy. I just put the tortillas in 400 degrees and left them in there maybe 5 minutes, and then I put cheese on top of them and put it on broil and left them in there maybe another minute or two, just so the cheese would be melted and they would have time to get a little bit crunchy and formed. And then I got my shrimp out. It was pre-cooked, so it's not going to take that long. I'm pretty much just heating it up. And I got my pan out. I was wanting to have the pretty little stripes on it, but I just couldn't stop flipping it, and so they ended up not having the little stripes. But it didn't matter because they turned out tasting really good anyway. And so I just placed them on there, like I said, trying to get those little stripes. And then I'm not a chef or a cook, whatever, by no means. I got some taco seasoning, and I just put the taco to where it was covering the shrimp a pretty good amount, because the recipe called for taco seasoning, so that's why I used it. And I just let the shrimp fry up until it was like a pretty golden brown color. Then here you see, this is where I'm taking my cheese and putting in the tortilla shells. The recipe didn't have cheese in it, but I love cheese, so I added cheese, and it turned out really good. And then here I'm just flipping that delicious looking shrimp. It looks so good. Look at how pretty it looks. I'm proud of myself. So then anyway, I got my tortilla shells out. And you're supposed to put guacamole in them, which the recipe tells you how to make it, but I already had it. I just had bought mild guacamole from the grocery store, and I just put that on the inside of the tortilla shell, and then I realized, well, I should probably take them out of that before I start filling them up. So after I put a scoop in one, I got them out and then began to fill them up with the guacamole. One of them leaked out a little bit. I was wanting them to look really pretty, like I'm such a professional. But anyway, they held together pretty good, so it looks alright. And then after you get your guacamole topped onto the cheese and stuff, you just take your shrimp and you place it on top of that. And theirs, like I said, was much smaller, so I had big, huge pieces of shrimp, and these were supposed to be like bite-sized, so probably a mini muffin pan would work best if you wanted to make the small ones, but I didn't. And then I just took some cheese, because I love cheese, and I just sprinkled on top of that because I thought it would make it taste better. Then next, I'm a big lemonade fan, so I got me a lemon and I sliced it into 3 different sections. I'm going to use 2 of those slices to put on the cup just to make it cute. So you just want to go midway per lemon. And then the other piece of lemon, I'm actually going to squeeze into my lemonade. And I got my little cute cup at the Dollar Tree because I love shopping at the Dollar Tree. And it has little mason jars on it and lemons. I just think it's real pretty. And then I just got the water from the fridge. Lemonade came from Walmart. It's just that powdered country thyme lemonade. I put 2 big scoops because I love to have that lemony flavor. Stirred it up, and then that's whenever I got that big chunk of lemon, which it probably made sense if I hadn't cut the end off of it. It would have squeezed out better. And squeezed it in there, the juice, so that it would be extra lemony. And then I just put the other 2 pieces of lemon on top and put a straw inside. And this is the result, and I just feel like such a professional today. Anyway, it's delicious. It's really spicy, but not so spicy that your mouth's going to be like burning on fire. It's just spicy in a good way. But it's delicious, and y'all should try it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.